Hey guys, and welcome back to the Dad of All Trades channel. My name's Adam, and today we're going to be doing some pressure washing. We're going to finish up the driveway, and we'll be using this Briggs surface cleaner, and it works pretty good. So stay tuned. So we've got this Briggs surface cleaner going good. Pretty hefty project ahead of us. Got to get to that street. This might take a little while. Got a random kid walking up and down the street. I say kid, he's probably from the local college. As long as he stays off my lawn, right? Clear all that mess out of it. Watching the driveway is kind of relaxing after a day of work. Don't get me wrong, there's better things to do. hot. Nope, it's good. Closer toward the end. More progress, got to move the pressure washer. Helps if I don't step on the hoses. So we're getting close to the end here. We got one more section and we're at the road. On going. Leave a like or a comment if you think this is a satisfying kind of a job. Like vacuum in the driveway. Timeout. I'm here pressure washing and I just noticed something. Not good. So I've done a little zooming because I don't want to get too close, but leave a comment if you think you know what that is. I think I know what it is and it's not good. So we're going to take care of that before the kid gets into it. Alright guys, here we are, the very end of the driveway. It's been a long process, but I'll be glad to get this done. And we're done. Well, dang, I'm hot and sweaty. The driveway looks good. So I think we're done. Wait, what? Are some of y'all paying close attention? Did I miss a spot? Yeah, I think I did. Just wanted to see if y'all were paying attention. Does that look familiar? I think we can take care of that. Just kidding. So thanks for watching my pressure washing video. We're all finished up here, and I just want you to like, subscribe, share, and keep watching for more content that I hope to send out as often as I can. Thanks.